Good morning. I'm going to put a very important video on the link below. Take a look at it. The flooding is going to go throughout May. The ice caps are melting. The flooding is going to continue in severe throughout the United States, which means it's going to be really bad for the farmers. There's going to be no crops at all. Whatever they have planted now, there won't be a harvest at all. So the prices for fruits and vegetables are going to skyrocket at the supermarket. Please go take a look at the link below. This is a very severe, serious case of flooding that it's going to cause farmers not to plant, or if they planted anything, it's going to be gone. It's not going to flourish. There's not going to be a harvest. The grocery stores, the vegetables and the fruits, if there is any, the prices are going to skyrocket. So please go take a look at the link below. Thank you.